Welcome to this document template setup tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to set up your document templates so you can generate hundreds of client agreements in just seconds. Start by clicking Add New, enter the template name, and press Add. Now click Edit to begin setting up the document. Start by choosing how you want to number your documents. For this example, I will use the format, date, month, and a sequential number. Here, you can preview how the document numbering will appear. I will also define this document type as a contract. Now you have access to a text editor very similar to Microsoft Word. The most important feature here is the data merge fields. These fields correspond to your client data section, so the system will automatically pull the information from there. Now, I will paste the text from my Word document and start inserting data merge fields where needed. I'll begin by inserting the contract number and today's date. Then I will place the appropriate merge fields into the correct locations in the document. After that, simply format the document if necessary, just like you would in Microsoft Word. Now you're ready to quickly generate hundreds of these agreements with just a few clicks. For more advanced features, please refer to our Document Templates Features tutorial.